Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, January 6th, and you know what we do at my house on Fridays? We plant. We're going to go ahead and open up the mini greenhouses. It's not going to freeze tonight, but I don't have any more mini greenhouses, so I have no other place to plant except I got a little space right here, and we're going to plant something small. Some more daikon radishes. Since these things are supposed to be as big as a sweet potato, I'm only going to plant 1 or 2 seeds at a time. Let's go ahead and open up these totes. They're forecasting a little rain. The last couple days it's been just below freezing in the morning. Well, below 32. Look what we got there. 1, 2, 3 rows. I don't think we have any carrots started yet. Better put that moisture back down on the ground. That's a nice little row right there. Wow, all 3 rows here are coming up. Now, I received a question the other day about these mini greenhouses and about temperature. As long as your soil stays warm, your seedlings should be just fine. If it's going to get into the low 50s in the day, I wouldn't worry about uncovering them if it's going to get cold at night. If it's going to get a little higher than the mid 50s, you're going to have to kind of play it by ear. These will warm up. If you're getting direct sun, I mean, right now it's overcast. If it was going to be cold tonight, I'd leave it covered. But it's forecast to have some drizzle, and it's not supposed to freeze tonight. So we're going to go ahead and uncover these and let them have a little air. Oh, look at that. That spinach right in the center, that's coming up really well. Yep, this front row is starting to germinate also. We still have a couple beets in here, but I really think it got too cold in that corner. There's quite a bit of leaf damage right over here. And we did plant some purslane here just the other day, but we got kind of a space, and I've got a couple seeds here, so we're just going to drop those. So it's got soil contact, and we'll see what we get. That's the garlic we planted right in front of the greenhouse at the beginning of the 10-day December planting challenge. I do want to thank you for stopping by and taking a look under the mini greenhouses with me and help me plant a couple more daikon radishes. Now, if you want to see what we planted under those totes the first part of December, click that link right there and I'll meet you back here in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.